In this video, we're diving into how to register a trademark with LegalZoom in 2025, step by step. What's going on, everyone? My name's Eric Hunsaker, and on this channel, we cut through the fluff to help you protect your ideas, build your business, and make smarter legal decisions without all the confusion. So let's break down how this works. What is a trademark, and why should you care? And before we even touch LegalZoom, let's make sure that we're clear on what a trademark actually is. So a trademark is basically a legal way to protect something that identifies your brand. Think of your business name, a logo, a unique product name, or even a tagline. If it helps people recognize your brand, it might qualify for trademark protection. Let's say you've built an online store called Sunset Supply Co., and you've got a great logo and a catchphrase like gear for every horizon. You don't want someone else to start using that name or slogan and confuse your customers. That's where a trademark comes in. The big advantage? Once you have a registered trademark, you have legal proof that you're the rightful owner of that brand element. You can stop others from using it, and you've got stronger grounds if you ever need to send a cease and desist or file a lawsuit. So if you're serious about protecting your brand long term, this is a no-brainer move. What does LegalZoom actually do? Now, LegalZoom isn't the government. They don't issue trademarks themselves. What they do is help you file the application with the United States Patent and Trademark Office, or the USPTO. They take care of the initial paperwork, reviewing your application for common mistakes, helping you choose the right trademark class, submitting it to the government on your behalf. If you've ever looked at the USPTO site, you know it's not the most user-friendly thing in the world. LegalZoom simplifies that experience. They offer different tiers depending on how hands-on you want them to be. More on that in a minute. Step 1, head to LegalZoom's trademark section. Just click the button that says register my trademark, and it'll walk you through a short questionnaire. You'll answer things like what type of trademark you're registering, a name, logo, slogan, etc. Whether you've already started using it in business. And yes, it's okay if you haven't started selling anything yet. LegalZoom can file an intent to use application for you if your brand isn't live yet. Just make sure that you're serious about using it soon. So if you click the link down in the description, it's going to bring you to this page right here where you can go ahead and click on register my trademark for their premium trademark registration. So this costs $8.99 plus federal fees, and you get federal and common law search to check trademark availability, trademark class selected by your attorney filing of your trademark application with the USPTO, attorney review of post-filing alerts if USPTO needs more info, free second search if there's an issue with your first choice, and a waived application fee for a second trademark registration if your first application is rejected, which is huge. So to get started, we'll go ahead and click on register my trademark. So like I said earlier, they're just gonna walk you through a few different questionnaires here to help do this for you. So the first thing first is they're asking what kind of trademark do you want to register? Is it a brand or product name? Is it a slogan or tagline? Or is it a stylized logo? Now, LegalZoom went ahead and gave some examples of their own trademarks. So the brand or product name is LegalZoom. A slogan or tagline they have is attorneys with you at every step. And then they have their stylized logo here as well. Let's go ahead and for this example, we'll choose a brand or product name and click next. What brand or product name would you like to register? Let's say I want to register Eric's Elegant Earrings, and we'll click next. Now here, I'm not using this yet, but I intend to use it in the future. So I'll go ahead and select that and click next. Next, it's just gonna ask if you wanna protect your trademark with monitoring. So you get active monitoring, so you get regular nationwide scans for trademarks that could infringe on yours, comprehensive search strategies, and detailed reports. Now this is an additional $175 per year, and it renews automatically each year unless you cancel by calling them. For this example, I'll go ahead and click no thanks, but for $175 per year, which might sound like a lot, but if this trademark is making you hundreds, thousands, millions of dollars, $175 is nothing. And if that makes sense for you, go ahead and click add trademark monitoring. But again, for this example, I'll click no thanks, and then we're here at checkout. So here you just fill out your information, pay, and you are good to go. Step 2, search for conflicts. Now this is where a lot of people mess up. You might think you've come up with the most unique business name in the world, but someone else might already be using something really similar. LegalZoom includes a basic search tool that checks the USPTO database for existing trademarks. You'll see if there's anything already registered or pending that could cause confusion. If you want a more advanced search with Legal Insight, you can pay extra for LegalZoom's comprehensive search package. This digs deeper into sound alike names, different spellings, international use, and it's not required, but if you're investing time and money into a brand, it's probably worth it. Step 3, choose a filing package. So LegalZoom offers a few different pricing tiers. Basic. LegalZoom files your application, does a basic search, and you handle everything else. Standard adds a full trademark search report and a LegalZoom specialist to walk you through any potential conflicts. Comprehensive. This includes legal review from an attorney before filing. For most small businesses, the standard plan hits a nice balance, especially if this is your first time. But if your brand is more high stakes or you're trademarking something really valuable, the comprehensive package might give you peace of mind. Also, LegalZoom's fees don't include the actual USPTO filing fee, which is usually around $250 to $350 per class. Step 4, submit your application. Now, once you fill out your info and choose a plan, LegalZoom puts everything together and files it with the USPTO for you. After you submit, the waiting game begins. Trademark review times can take anywhere from 6 to 12 months, depending on how busy the USPTO is, sometimes longer. During this time, the government might reach out with questions or objections. This is called an office action. If you get one, LegalZoom can help you respond depending on which plan you chose. If everything goes smoothly, you'll get an official registration certificate in the mail. Congrats! You've now got a federally registered trademark. Step 5, understand what happens next. To keep your trademark active, you'll need to actually use it in commerce. File maintenance paperwork after 5 years. Renew it after 10 years. LegalZoom can remind you when those deadlines are coming up, or you can keep track manually with a simple calendar or Notion tracker. Also, having a trademark doesn't mean LegalZoom or the USPTO will automatically stop people from copying your brand. You still need to monitor the market and take action if someone crosses the line. Tools like Google Alerts or trademark monitoring services can help you stay ahead, and LegalZoom has a trademark monitoring service as well. Common mistakes to avoid. Number 1 is picking a generic name. You can't trademark something like Good Coffee for a cafe. The name has to be distinctive. 2, not searching thoroughly. Even if no one is using the exact name, something that's too close could get your application denied. 3, not using the trademark. If you register something and never actually use it, the USPTO can cancel it later. You need to show proof of use. 4, confusing LLC registration with a trademark. Now, forming an LLC protects your business name in your state. A trademark protects your brand nationally. Very different things. So registering a trademark might sound overwhelming at first, but LegalZoom really does make the process approachable. It's not free and it's not instant, but if your brand matters to you, it's absolutely worth the investment. Now, if you want to get started with LegalZoom, you'll find a link for it down in the description below. This is an affiliate link, which means we earn a small commission when you use it at no extra cost to you. And these commissions really help support the channel and allow us to continue to create free content just like this. So if you end up using it, we thank you so much in advance. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another video. Here on this channel, we make videos dedicated to helping new and existing entrepreneurs get started and succeed in business, so be sure to subscribe. But other than that, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you here in the next video.